Today, we're exploring Sam Altman's vision for artificial general intelligence, AGI, and the rapid advancements on the horizon, as outlined in his most recent blog post. Altman's mission is clear as he states, "Our mission is to ensure that AGI benefits all of humanity." He reminds us how breakthroughs like electricity, transistors, computers, and the Internet have driven progress. Now, AGI is set to become our next revolutionary tool. For the improvement of AI and the overarching goal of AGI, Altman highlights three key economic ideas. First, the smarter an AI gets, the more resources, like computing power and data, it requires. In short, investing more leads to predictable improvements. Second, the cost of using advanced AI is dropping dramatically, about 10 times cheaper every year, making state-of-the-art AI increasingly accessible. Third, even small boosts in AI intelligence can create enormous benefits for society, multiplying value in ways that are hard to imagine. These principles are crucial because every investment sparks a cycle of rapid, exponential growth that accelerates both development and adoption, getting us that much closer to true AGI. The post goes further to task the reader with imagining a near future where AI agents serve as virtual co-workers, handling tasks once done by human engineers. Altman paints a vivid picture. Still, imagine it as a real but relatively junior virtual co-worker. Now imagine 1,000 of them, or 1 million of them. Now imagine such agents in every field of knowledge work. As he adds, AI will seep into all areas of the economy and society. We will expect everything to be smart. The blog finished with Altman challenging us to embrace this change and shape it together. As he states, ensuring that the benefits of AGI are broadly distributed is critical.